Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how to quickly and easily disable inverted or negative colors on any iPhone. Dear friends, please don't forget to put your likes under the video. Be sure to write your comments and also subscribe to the channel. Well, let us be with you friends. Let's get started. And first of all, you will need to open the settings on your iPhone. After that, please go to Universal Access here. And then select Display and Text Size. Now, you're going to scroll through the menu that you have. And you're gonna need to, folks, find the inversion section. If you have it enabled, then please disable it. That way, as you can see, your iPhone will go to normal view. Next, friends, I recommend you also go to the color filters sections. And if you have them enabled and connected on any of the filters, then you can simply in one go disable all those filters. That's the quick and easy method you can disable inverted or negative colors on your iPhone. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget, friends, please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and also write comments. See you soon.